Hello and welcome to a new episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. Today we're making a light and refreshing dessert ideal for summer days, special dinners, or any occasion where you want to impress. The iconic Portuguese Lemon Cheesecake. This no-bake treat is made with crushed Maria cookies, rich cream cheese, and a tangy lemon curd for a creamy, zesty delight. Stay tuned and learn how to whip up this elegant and delicious dessert with a Portuguese twist. Lemon cheesecake. 12 crushed Maria cookies, 80 grams of butter, 1 package of Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 package of cream, 1 can of condensed milk, juice of 1 lime, zest of 1 lemon, 2 packs of unflavored gelatin, 100 milliliters of water, 200 milliliters of lemon curd. Crush the cookies in a food processor and mix with melted butter. Press into a pan and chill. Soak the gelatin powder in cold water for 5 minutes. In a bowl, beat the cream until thick and fluffy. Add the cheese gradually, then the condensed milk. Slowly add the lime juice, the lemon zest, and finally the gelatin. Pour the mixture into the mold. Smooth the surface and refrigerate for 4 hours. Top with lemon curd and refrigerate for 1 more hour. Today we made a delicious lemon cheesecake, light, fresh, and perfect for any special moment. I hope you enjoyed making this sweet treat with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your suggestions in the comments for what you'd love to see next. Faça e coma!